Hello everyone. So today we're going to talk about how to schedule a cron job on your Linux server. Now cron jobs are a really handy way to get your server to automate tasks for you so you don't have to think about doing it. And it's similar to Windows version of Task Scheduler. And so we're going to walk through today how to set one. And we're going to use a service called crontab to schedule our task. And so first let's look at the man page for cron. And as you can see here is the daemon to execute scheduled commands via cron. Now if you want to see the current cron tabs you have scheduled, you simply search for crontab -L. And right now I don't have any scheduled for my name because we're just not saying it. What we're going to do is we're going to VI file located etc crontab. And this opens our system-wide crontab, which means that it works in the background for all users regardless of who's logged in. At first this is kind of confusing, but if you look closer you'll see you have the minute in the first column. In the second column you'll have the hour. In the third column you'll have the day of the month. And then you'll have the month and the day of the week. And then you'll have the user, the name, the user the commands execute under, which all these are in root, and then you'll have the actual command that's being executed. So now that we've opened this as sudo, we'll come down to bottom, and we'll hit A for insert after, enter to go down to a new line, and we'll do 30 minute, and we'll do an asterisk for every hour. And since this is every 30 minutes every hour, we're just going to put asterisks for every column here. Root is going to give me the date and then message. You're going to direct this to home, the wording tab. Now we'll do exit and shift CC to save and close. So now if we wait till 30 minutes after and we go back, we do ls and this ALRT, we'll see crontab-message down here. Now if we cat crontab.message, we see our scheduled message and it ran at 30 minutes fast. So let's go back and we're going to re-edit crontab. How about every Friday at 33:17? Doesn't matter the day of the month, it doesn't matter the month, but every Friday, so we'll put here. Root is going to do echo. You won't see it right now when you do an ls folder, but come Friday, when you cat the crontab messages, you'll see a message for Friday in there. Now, if you don't specify an exact time for a job to occur, it will assume that it needs to run at midnight. Now we're going to do something a little different. Let's do at every reboot, root is going to echo 8 and reboot. Mid to the file located at home/organ/cat. Right now it won't show up because we haven't restarted this yet. We can force it to by doing a sudo. And now that it is restarted, we do ls, CLRT, see crontab message was just located. So it's cat crontab messages. And you see it rebooted. From here out, every time the system reboots, it will log the date and time and reboot here into this one. That's a pretty useful thing to keep up with the regular running occurrence of your server. So you can automate pretty much any task you do on a regular basis as a crontab job. It's off the month, the time of day. It's off the month, the time of day, and the day of the week. Other different things you can do is you can do at every hour, hourly, or we can do at weekly, or at monthly, yearly, daily. Now crontab sees all these as events, and it assumes that it's going to run at midnight of that date, or at the top of the hour in the case of hourly. Now, remember, you can always do man crontab or man cron, see the manual for it and get some other ideas of other arguments you can put into here to run schedule tasks for you. And I thank you all. That's all for today. Please hit the like button and subscribe down below, and be sure to leave a comment on future videos you'd like to see. Thank you guys.